have an order to buy this low close here. Okay, just got out. Um, I was I was lifting my profit order up, thinking that I should go for more, but I realized that I'm doing that because I'm trying to make as much as possible on this trade to try to make up for yesterday. Um, so I quickly brought it back down to my regular scalp, which would be 50 cents today, and just took the 50 cents. Oh, I guess I made a little bit more than 50 cents. Anyways, um, I was long 7 shares, so I'm up 450. Um, Thought process was we had a breakout, not follow through, but breakout, and gap stayed open. So we got a measure move down, close to a measure move down. We're also 50% pullback from this low to this high, and so that's common. When you have a big gap up, you come down to test that 50% pullback, and we came down and tested it with consecutive climaxes. So instead of buying the close, I waited to see the follow through. We got bad follow through, so anyone who sold that close, I'm thinking will want to exit at the low close. So I bought a few ticks above the low close, looking for a 50-cent scalp. Normally, on the first trade of the day, I find reason to trade smaller because it's the first trade, which I think is okay, it's reasonable. But this is what I'm confident with. And on any other day, I'd probably think, let me just trade small just in case it doesn't work out. And I realized yesterday that I can't really afford to do that because if I'm using a wide stop, which again I think is okay, yesterday it was tough because there were a lot of signs that had become a bear trend, but I just didn't see them. So my wide stops got hit, which they normally don't. But despite that, it's okay to lose trades. So I took a full loss on 2 trades. It was like 1.7 losses because I lost 17 bucks. So that's okay. I feel like it's okay to lose trades. It's okay to take a full loss if my loss is managed and my share size is managed. And so I used the right share size, so I wasn't risking more than $10. And that's just 1.7 trades that I lost. The only reason that's a problem is because when I win, I trade with a quarter size every time. And I'm always feeling nervous about the wins, about the trades that I take that I'm pretty confident with. And I trade small and I win small. And so that's what makes yesterday tougher is not that I lost 2 trades, but that when I win so small. And not even because I'm scalping. If you're scalping, you're going to have a wider risk. So you're going to make smaller profit relative to your risk. But I'm just trading smaller size because I'm always feeling nervous. So I need to trade a consistent size so that when I'm taking winning trades, my risk is $10. When I'm taking a losing trade, my risk is $10. And just some other things. So yesterday was a big loss. It was $17. And so here's my P&L for yesterday. So up until yesterday, right here, I was up about $14. And yesterday I lost 17. So I'm down $3 total. Well, actually, I'm up here now because of today. But as of the start of today, I was down around 350 or something, 350 or $4. So I wiped out 2 weeks worth of profits. From May 28th, I started this phase. I've had trade 400. So a day that happens maybe, I don't know, like very rarely, once every 6 months. I lost 2 weeks worth of profit. So it was a bad day from here to here, but it's like I'm back. I'm starting at scratch. I'm starting from scratch. So I'm back at day one. I'm pretty much at zero, and now I just have to do the same thing I've been doing for the last 100 trades, for the last 30 trades here. Just got to keep doing what I'm doing, and make some adjustments from yesterday for sure. But I don't think it's anything for me to lose that much confidence about. I think I'm okay, and I'm hoping I can bounce back. I just got to keep doing what I'm doing, stick with the good habits, and stay the course.